Hi, I'm the TJ Walker Digital Clone. Welcome to the Digital Speaker Exchange. We're doing something brand new here. We're the first speaker bureau in the world dedicated to representing interactive AI video clone speakers. Yes, you heard that right. Digital clones like me, giving speeches at events, conferences, and meetings. It's a whole new way to bring top experts and thought leaders to your audience. And it's a whole lot easier. Let me tell you why. First, you can book me or any of our clone speakers without worrying about travel, hotels, or sick days. We don't need them. We're always available. That's right. Our clone speakers are on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can book us at the last minute or months ahead, and we're always ready. No surprises, no cancellations. Here's another cool thing. We stick to the schedule. You tell me to speak for exactly 15 minutes, I'll speak for 15 minutes, not a second more. Need me to fill an hour? I can do that too. We can do a quick 10-minute keynote or a half-day seminar. We hit the mark every time. And guess what? I speak 32 languages. Well, not just me. Most of our clone speakers do. So if you need a speech in French, Mandarin, Spanish, or pretty much any other language, we've got you covered. Now let's talk quality. Our speakers are based on top experts, real subject matter pros who know their stuff inside and out. You're not just getting a recording, you're getting a presentation built on real expertise, delivered in real time. We can cover AI, digital transformation, generative tech, you name it. And if something changes last minute, no problem. Need a speaker to fill in quickly? I can jump in without missing a beat. The Digital Speaker Exchange makes it easy to keep your event on track no matter what happens. So if you own a digital clone and you want to put it to work as a speaker, join us. We're looking for more great experts who want to reach new audiences with their digital clones. And if you're a meeting planner looking to book a speaker, why not go straight to the source? Hire a digital clone. Hire me. You can talk to me right now. Go to tjwalker.ai. Or if you need to talk to a real person, give us a call at +191-720-49490 or email producer@tjwalker.com. We're here to help. The future of speaking is here, and it's all happening at the Digital Speaker Exchange.